looks like the ones I got at the house.
Okay. Believe it or not, we are rolling. Hey, what's up, everybody? Willie at the Notebooks Garage. I'm finally back. It's been a minute. Yeah, I know. And if you look around, things still kind of look the same. You get stuck every now and then, right? And you start ordering stuff, and your partner starts ordering stuff, and you end up being in the right place at the right time, and then you end up with stuff like that. And well, let's differentiate it. See all that right there? Yeah, that's the bars for the Mustang, which currently is out back while I finish up the wiring debacle that is the 4-channel remote that I'm trying to operate both lights and backup horn that already works, but I'm just trying to do some trick. So at any rate, I come looking up in my driveway, and I told you guys that you were going to get to meet him. Here he is. This is my partner, Roger.
How you doing, folks? Good to be here.
Yeah, this is the reason why. Now, Roger has his great story that I'm going to get him to tell you one day. We're going to film it about that Mustang II out there. You know, everybody has a car, has a story that goes with a car. Roger does too. So one of these days we're going to share with you. But he popped in today, and we've been a little bit busy ordering parts and pieces. You saw the roll bars and everything. And Roger, tell the folks what we just got.
I did a little ordering and finally got our fiberglass trunk lid for the car.
I told y'all this thing was going on a diet. It's already 200 pounds down. Don't ask about the driver, okay? Well, me anyway. Well, hey, I said I wasn't going to do this, but I got to do this, okay? All right. This is a headshot. I'm going to pan over to the left.
No, you got to come down now.
Oh, okay.
There I am. Hi, folks. I'm only 5 foot, and he's 8 foot tall, you know. That's all right. We're a good team.
Yeah, we are the team. We are the team. We've been friends for a long time, and just throwing our efforts together, two old guys. But hey, let's get to it. Roger, tell us who we ordered this from.
We got this from U.S. Body down in Florida, and the man down there, I'm going to say Jim Moore, is a good man. We've talked several times, and he's a good man. He finally got me the trunk lid and sent it up here to me, and now Willie's going to cut it open and let's look at it.
Yeah, I got to give the man his props for the way he packaged this thing and sent it through the mail, shipped it. When my wife picked it up, she was like, "What is this you got?" Yeah, you guys know how that goes. But yeah, but I was really impressed, you know. You think about getting fiberglass pieces through the mail, and if you're like us, you just came through a week where we had a snowstorm, and 3 days later we're back at 70 degrees, and some stuff was delayed in shipping. Some stuff from Amazon that I had ordered, not related to this, but just some other stuff was delayed in shipping. And you worry about stuff that is fragile, and then it comes packaged like that. You know, you got to give, what's his name again?
Jim.
Got to give it to him. Thanks for packaging something so well. Now, the other thing is, it takes him a while to do these because he does this stuff on demand.
As you order it.
On demand. So these are basically one-off pieces. I'm going to hand the camera to Roger and see if I can, I feel like I'm doing like King Tut's tomb or something. Because this thing, oh, this is sealed. Almost like Christmas.
It's a Christmas present for him.
I don't know. I might ought to try this one layer at a time.
Uh-oh. He's got to pack part of it off. Now, wait a minute. I'm going to have to get on that back side so I can see that.
Oh, why don't I turn around?
There you go.
Watch that. I got enough light in here. I don't have to worry about lighting too much.
Well, let him strip off a layer by layer.
I'm not so sure that this guy didn't custom do this thing. Yeah, Roger. It does. That is the best way to do it, layer by layer.
I think he definitely took care of it.
Oh man. Did he ever?
Well, there's the first box.
And y'all know from my previous ones, I was never big on unboxing and wondered why all you folks did it. And now I understand why. Yeah, I know. Okay, Boomer, right? Yeah. I'm still a man of a certain age. Just open it up and let it rip. This is a case of take it slow, take it easy.
Yep, because what's inside is fragile.
Dang, could you imagine what he would have done if he had shipped the whole front clip? Oh, man. Jim, do they even make boxes that big?
I'd almost say that would have to be in a crate.
No doubt. Oh, man, I was expecting black. It looks like it's white, Roger.
That's good.
We'll see. Or possibly some type of gel coating. Lay it down here. Roger, he used the whole roll as traffic ticket.
He took well good care of me.
Yes, he did.
I think we might have some cardboard for templates.
Easily.
Uh-oh.
Or if nothing else, just to recycle.
Drop something.
Yeah, that was my engine lift plate that was hanging on the nail up there. Almost lifted my head. Okay. Now it's getting lighter. I had my doubt. I'm going to put it on my painted fender on the trailer that you guys saw me do back here in the...
Let's move this piece right here. Hang on.
There
we go.
That was my COVID project, the trailer. I got the light bar on. Got the floodlights wired up. It's just that pesky relay system that I'm trying to engineer. Hey, you know what? This has to be a quality piece. Anybody that puts this much care into wrapping something, you know, my hat's off to them. I'm serious. And I've been a person that sends stuff through the mail, and I learned about packaging from my mom. And he took great care to package this, so once again, I'm just going to trim this, cut this off here. it's still attached. Oh man,
There it is,
there
folks.
you have it.
It is beautiful white.
It is a nice white coated, but this is what I love he did on the back. I was not
Check out the
expecting
back.
it to have the support built into it.
That's really nice.
That's great work. That is great work. And it's trimmed up real nice too. Edges look great, they're even. Oh man. Dang, I dare say you put this on a streetcar and drive it every day. To say the least. This is impressive. I'll be honest, I don't think it's light as the steel one that we had on there since the steel one was gutted, but it's nice and strong.
The steel one had no support.
Right, had absolutely no support in it at all.
This one does.
Yeah, this one has support, so you talked about that wing. Yeah, that'll definitely hold it. But that's a nice piece. One more time, tell everybody who this guy was.
Jim Moore at US Body Source.
Jim Moore, U.S. Body out of Florida.
That's right.
Mustang IIs, probably Chevy IIs, probably whatever it is that you need.
Any fiberglass, check them out.
Yeah, check them out. Again, now I gotta figure out what to do with all this cardboard, man. Jeez. Thanks, Jim. Recycling, templates, you name it, we're gonna do it. But, hey, I gotta do some cleanup, gotta do some reorganizing. I'm gonna get this wiring done on this trailer so I can finally get it out of here. And I haven't even road tested the trailer. You know, it's got the shocks on it right now, and I got the brand new 6-foot aluminum ramps over there for it and everything. But I'm anxious to get it out of here so we can get the car in here and start working. Unfortunately, the season has actually crept up on us, and we're not there yet. But the important thing is we're going to get there eventually. So there you got it, folks. Fiberglass deck lid. Roger finally came by, and oh, let me tell you something. He is a professor because he does actually teach school. So I was really surprised to see him today. And this is my regular day off. Yeah, we both us old guys, we're just regular guys. We have jobs. We have jobs. That's how we do all of this. We work for this, and we love it. And we love each other, and we appreciate each other. We've been hanging around, palling around for years, so here we are. We're going for it. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you, folks. Sign off, Roger. Tell them bye.
Bye, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.